Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It is the end of the year. It is just after Christmas. We got a little bit of work to do and we got a lot going on, so let's talk about it. So if you can tell, kind of in a new environment, and that is because if you don't follow me on Instagram, which you hopefully should by now, then you would have seen on my most recent post that my fiance and I have finally bought our first house together. So this is the first house purchase obviously either of us have made, and if you guys have been longtime viewers of the channel, you know I was basically staying in a guest house on my dad's property for the last 7 years since I've been back in Arizona. And yeah, still doing the business, and that's the other stuff that there is to talk about, because there's changes coming with that. But yeah, it's all led up to this point now. Of course, first home isn't glamorous or big, and because as some of you guys may have experienced already if you're self-employed, financials being self-employed are usually a bit difficult, especially if you're newer, first couple of years. So with bank statements and stuff like that. So this whole house, we just had to go off of a budget based off of my fiance's income. So yeah, we're just, little house. It's about 800 square foot, but it's fully remodeled. It is essentially a single wide on a 6,000 foot lot, but it's really not bad in here. So of course we got the pups. This is the living room setup right now. Now a lot of this, we're waiting on her grandmother to sell her house, because there's a bunch of furniture she has. It's all nice and new that we're going to use. And I don't know if you guys saw, but we got a kitty now. But yeah, so nice little house, all new cabinetry, all new double pane windows, all new laminate flooring. She made this before. We're going to do a new one because we bought a nice dishwasher, bought a really nice Samsung fridge, and the dishwasher matches that. It's got all new granite countertops, yada, yada, yada. This is our mug rack. We like to collect the Starbucks, the Been There series. Yeah, this is the start of that. But yeah, nice little thing. The guest room right here. Just packed to the brim full of, all of our junk, because we just moved in over the weekend. Bathroom looking kind of like a bathroom, and waiting on a bed frame to be delivered. Other than that, we're chilling, right, Soph? Long time coming. But I got some work to go do at the shop right now, so I'm going to head over there, do that, and then we got to go get a cashier's check, because we're getting into a new shop, which is the other huge, massive change going on. So we'll talk about that, at the shop. Well, I was trying to film on my normal camera, but I apparently grabbed a dead battery before I left the house. So we'll pick this vlog up for this portion of the video on the phone. All right, so basically, yeah, so shop. This is probably gonna be one of the last videos, me unlocking this door. So yeah, it's time for a change. So as you guys know, if you've been watching the channel for a while, I've been in this shop for about 1.5 years now. I think I got in here summer of 21. So it's been, summer of 22. I don't know, whatever. About 1.5 years. And I came in here with some buddies to learn, and the very basics and intro to business, and get my stuff more off the ground, because I was doing everything that I do here off of or out of my backyard at my dad's house, and multiple reasons why that's not good for trying to grow a business. Obviously it's good for side work, perfectly fine, but yeah, trying to grow and get bigger, and then obviously every car guy's dream is to have a shop space and stuff. So that's kind of what this was the intro to, and it's worked out pretty good so far. But back in March, April, that's when I was told by my shop mates, because I came in here with them. They came in here under their dad's lease, who owns runs the shop next door. And long story short, it's just time for me to get out of here. And thankfully I did find a place, but that's where life is getting pretty hectic right now. And what I mean by that is it all came on at once. So, the house, when my fiance started looking into getting the house so we could finally get out of there and move on to the next phase of life. And then it all, the house closing stuff, all that started at the same exact time that I was really being pushed out of here because of situations going on outside that, is none of my really need to share. And it just, sometimes that's how life is. Sometimes you're on top, sometimes you get knocked down to the bottom. And for me right now, this is kind of a knockdown to the bottom point. So, the best way I can describe it is I feel like I'm starting over. Now, again, I do have my customer base so far that I've been working on. I've been doing lots of great networking. If you guys saw the last drift video, I went and met Nolan Sykes from Donut Media when I was at Hassport. You know, I'm making friends with I made friends with the owners down at Reaction Coilovers with Joel or Joel, I'm not sure how to pronounce his name, and stuff like that. So it's been, you know, it's not fully over because, you know, from where I started at when I moved in here to where I'm at now, I'm, you know, quite a bit ahead. But financially, physically, like, to me, it's just a very scary spot in life because everything is starting fresh. New house, new environment. This is going to be one of my last couple days in the shop because I'm going to go get the keys to the new place later today. I got a job on the way right now, just a quick one. And then I'm going to head over to the bank, go get a cashier's check and get that sorted. And then we're going to start moving the shop this weekend because I got the lift guys coming on Friday. Today will be Wednesday. But yeah, it's a lot going on, and just because, again, it's all happening at once, it's costing me basically every dollar I have to my name, both business and personal, to do all the moving between everything. So it's a little stressful, but you know, I'm excited because the last time I was forced out of my comfort zone like this was when I initially left Hassport the first time, and that's what got this all started. So, you know, with the bad, there's always a silver lining, and for me, it's been hard to see that the last 2 weeks because I've just been absolutely crushed with the weight of the change in responsibility, the stress, the finances of all this. But now that I'm starting to just get the paperwork done, I'm starting to be able to kind of breathe a little bit. It's getting a little bit easier. So I just want to, you know, thank you guys if you've helped me at all this year, whether you've watched a video, shared it, you know, if you are a local and you've, you know, come for work, if you bought something, merch or anything, which I do have the Christmas shirts available for just a few more days if you want to go get one, and the sweatshirts. But yeah, so I just want to thank you guys. I'm going to go and wait for this guy to show up. So what we're working on today is I forget, BRZ 86, new 86, one of the two, and a crazy wide body kit with the spoiler, a little too beefy for the flimsy trunk. So I got to help try and make some brackets for the spoiler so it stops tearing the trunk. But yeah, waiting on the guy to show up yet. So we'll pick this up. My phone's going to die because my phone charger decided to stop charging. So thankfully I keep a spare in the toolbox. But yeah, let's kind of get things sorted. So yeah, all right, finished up my work. So obviously I'm just here in the car, just got it fired up. I'm gonna run to Chase, go get the cashier's checks, that way I can go get the keys to my new shop. BRZ went pretty decent. You know, there's only so much I can do with a broken trunk, so hopefully the plates I made hold it up. Here's some photos of the car and a photo of what I did. You can kind of see it here. And then I made a rear bumper bar for a DA for a Charlie Adams, I believe his name is. So thank you for the support. I will get that out as soon as I can. With the midst of everything going on right now, it's hard to find 10 minutes to do anything. So let's go do this because I need to find a box for your bar also. Well, got our keys. Well, key. That was a lot of money. $3 grand just for deposit, another $3 grand to get insurance. Still got another grand or so to move the lift. I'm stressed. Yeah, so don't take this as me, you know, complaining. This is just me venting, stress venting, because I did not anticipate how expensive moving this shop was going to be, and I can only imagine how much it costs when you're a bigger business and stuff. Because $7,000 is a lot of money for a little guy like me. That's taking up basically all of my business checking that I have available, and some of my credit card. So yeah, it's just, you know, growing pains. You know, it's got to spend money to make money, but jumping into the great unknown, that's the scary part. So again, I'm pretty sure that this will all work out. Everybody else, I should say, is a lot more confident in this than me. But yeah, I don't know. Only one way to find out, right? So now we got our key. Now I can go get the heck out of Phoenix because I hate being anywhere in Phoenix. It's always super stressful with the roads out here and the traffic and like, yeah. So let's just get out of here. Let's go home, I think. I don't even know. UPS store maybe? Yeah, home, I don't know. So we got the keys. You guys already saw that back now. Got my camera working because I actually got my batteries now because I had to dig them out of a freaking box. But I wanted to show you guys this really cool fridge that we bought on Black Friday. And my favorite part, it has a whole beverage center. So we can go and we can stock up. And it's the coolest thing ever. I never had nothing so fancy before. Yeah, friggin' dope. Water pitcher. All the schnazzy stuff. Alright guys, that's more or less gonna kinda conclude the video. I didn't have much going on, like I said today. I just had a quick job and then a lot of stuff running around, office work type per se, for getting the shop situation, you know, sorted. And if you check out the photo behind me, that's actually from the Tail of the Dragon trip. We got a handful of them. My fiance got them for me for my birthday. So finally have a place to hang them now that we have, you know, real walls to put them on. So it's pretty darn cool. A lot of you guys wished me lots of good, you know, things on the Instagram post announcing like the house purchase and stuff and just everything else going on. So yeah, lots of crazy stuff going on, like I mentioned before through the video. So it's gonna be a wild new year. Hopefully you guys are excited. Hopefully you guys stick around. You know, I'm gonna still try and do as much of the YouTube stuff as I can. Obviously, I just don't have the money to put in my own cars right now. But with all the seat time I've been getting lately, you know, it's been a lot of fun. So thankfully, I haven't needed to work on the cars because they've been holding up good enough for me to get seat time. But yeah, that's kind of my goal for this year. I don't need to build any more crazy cars. I'd love to, but money's not there, especially now with a new shop, new home. You know, it's just a lot of money. So yeah, anyways guys, I'm gonna just kick it in for the night, get this video edited and uploaded, since it's been about a week since I've uploaded something, and I just wanted to update you guys if you don't follow me again on Instagram, and yeah, kind of give you guys a little insight onto what's been going on. But yeah, I'm just dragging this video out at this point. So if you guys want to get some merch again before the end of the year, it will be in the top comment. It'll be pinned. Again, the Christmas stuff goes away at the new year, and yeah, it's pretty comfy, pretty cool. Go check it out. So thanks for spending some time out of your day here with me. We'll see you for the next one. Do what you love, but the rest, and have a good night. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, whatever. Peace out.